When I become a mom, I was very worried of what may happen to me. If something happened to me, I was very worried of what will happen to my kids. So as a mom, it is always my priority to make sure that my kids will be taken care of. So what I have done, I took a life insurance that will protect my children's even if something happened to me. I took a insurance as well that if something that I get sick, that I have a disability insurance that will cover that. So as a mom, I don't want them to be a burden to my children. I don't want my children to be neglected or to be not knowing what will happen to them. So that is very important to me about their safety and also about their well-being and how they're gonna live their life without my presence. So I make sure that I am covered with life insurance. But you know what? That is only if something happened to me, right? Like now, guys, it's amazingly, I'm over 60. And the good thing is, I am blessed and thankful that I am still able to work and able to function as a mom and also as provider to my children and to my as husband as well. We're still being able to afford the house and being able to pay our bills. And I'm very grateful for that. And so God bless for everything that He has done for us. I am now living the mom lifestyle that I always desire. I realized that my role only as and protecting them and making sure that they will be taken care of when I'm gone is actually not limited to that period of time that when I am gone that they can benefit it. Right now, this business has given me that power of building a legacy for them now while I am still alive and getting them the benefits and living the benefits of what we get in an online business. You don't have to only depend to life insurance and count it that when you are gone, but this business is actually have that peace of mind and ensuring that because of the business that I am building right now, that my kids is taken care of even if I'm still alive. And so that is a reassurance that this is the business that any mother, any parents, any grandma, grandpa, that should take so that they can prepare for the legacy of their loved ones. This is the solution for you. Sign in on our website at www.startwithregina.com and start creating the business for you that will take care of you and at the same time will also take care of your loved ones. If you're someone who wants to ensure that wealth, generational wealth is being created for your loved ones by you, start with our online digital business. Sign in at my website at www.startwithregina.com because this is the business that you will have an opportunity to create that wealth, generational wealth, to create that legacy for your loved ones. In this online business, this is your own. So you can have this. And as you run it, when you are already too old to run this one, when your brain started to shrink and become forgetful, your loved ones will be able to manage this business for you for their benefits as their own legacy. Because our business is transferable. The ownership of this business is transferable. So sign in on my website at www.startwithregina.com and learn more about wealth creation for legacy creation so that you too can take care of your loved ones and you too can take care of yourself now, tomorrow, and in the future. So create a legacy for your loved ones, and we can help you do that in our global business partnership at www.startwithregina.com.